Hello, my beautiful people. How are you doing? Let us trade. Let's just trade. Let us trade. Wow, the trading is trading. Let's see our trade for today. I'm trading pounds USD and also pounds JPY. It's pounds, pounds, pounds. You can see the trading is trading. Yep. The trading here. Take profit is about to hit. This signal is trading. It's looking beautiful, so let's check pounds GPY. What is it saying? Let me see the chart. Wow, this one too, we're about to hit take profit, about to hit the take profit. Yeah, this is looking beautiful. This is looking beautiful. Beautiful. See, trading is trading. Yeah. Let's take profit. I want to take my profit here. Let's see. Wow, this trading is beautiful. It's good. Later we'll go again. Thank you. Bye for now.